Hello everyone, welcome back again to the tutorial number 16 on HTML. This is the continuation video on CSS, that is Cascade Style Sheets. We have already discussed 2 out of 3 methods of CSS edition in the previous tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the last method, that is the external CSS edition. This is one of the method which is widely used in web designing and development. First of all, I will tell you how this method works, then we will talk about why this method is widely used among all 3 methods. So let's start with the external CSS edition. So for that, first of all, we have to create a separate CSS file in the root folder of website. Let me create a CSS file on desktop because my HTML file is on desktop. So let me create one and NOTEPAD. Okay, I will have to create a CSS file this time, not HTML. Okay, go to file, click on save as. Now here I will add style.css and save as type to all files. Okay, now we are going to save it. Okay, so let me show you. So here it is. So CSS file has been created. As you can see, the type as Cascade Style Sheets document. Okay, so it has been successfully created. Let me now go back to the coding platform. Now here in the head element, we have to add that CSS sheet which we have created just now. So to do that, there is a link element or we can say a start tag which does the work for us. The code for that is opening of angle bracket link link rel equals inverted commas, and within this, yes, we have to write down style sheet. What is the type of link? Style sheet. Okay, now here we have to write down href equals to inverted comma and close the angle bracket. So between these inverted commas we have to write down the link of that CSS file. As you can see, both HTML and CSS file is on desktop, so we have to just write style.css, the file name. Okay, as you can see, my file name is style and it is a CSS file, so we have to write the extension after the dot. So now if we save it, this CSS file which we have created just now has been linked with the HTML page. Okay, so now whatever we code in this CSS file, whatever the styling we done in this CSS file is going to reflect at the output, that is on web browser. So let me do and show you how this actually works. So this is my notepad from where I am giving input, and this is the output, and this is the style sheet which we are going to code. Okay, So first of all, let's declare the class here. In the heading element, we'll write class equal to gs as we have done in the previous video, and also we'll write down the class here equals gs1. Okay, so we have given class to heading element and also to link element. Okay, now through this class we can start styling the text via using this style.css page or document, as this has been linked to this web page. Okay, let's write down dot then gs as we did in the second method, that is internal styling of css. Internal styling of web page. Okay, now within gs, suppose we want the color to brown and the text alignment to center. Let me close this. Okay, and in gs1, suppose I want text dash decoration none, and also color to be green. Okay, if I save it, Control S, I saved the style sheet, and I also save this notepad, and let's refresh and see the output. So as you can see that it's working perfectly. That is how we can use this style this styling method, that is external styling or external method of adding css. So what we have did here, we have created a separate style page, that is style.css, in the root folder or the same folder within which your HTML page present, and that file we linked into the HTML page with this link rel code. That is this code we have to put within the head element. Okay, after this after the successful linkage of this style sheet with this HTML page, we have given name or a class to heading element and a link element and designed that in style sheet which we have created. So that is how this external method of CSS addition works. Why this is widely used, this question is still unanswered. Let me tell you why this method is widely used. First, or the main point, is to decrease the hodgepodge in the coding area, because if suppose you have to design a website with more than 50-60 pages in it, in that case there are large number of styles we have to done, and if we put them into the head element as a internal CSS addition, this will create a big time hodgepodge. So to decrease that, we have a external CSS addition. This is the one of the major point, and the second one is the whole website can be styled by using this style.css page. This is very useful thing, because it will style your whole website, and for write and see the codes or correct the error, we don't have to visit each and every page to see what's wrong in it. That is why this method is widely used. And also it can style. Suppose, let me show you. Suppose I have given this also GS. I have changed the class name to GS, and class name of link element to GS. And suppose I remove this, and color is brown, text line center, and if we also add text dash decoration to none, so what it does, it will pick all the classes with the name GS. So it will pick this one also, and if we write another, let me add a paragraph also, p class equals GS. Okay, I've given this paragraph a class, and slash p, this is the end tag, and between this, if I write something, this is the best platform to learn HTML. Okay, let's save it. And as you can see that all of 3 element has a same class, that is GS, and we have designed all the classes with the name GS into the one. And if I save it and refresh here at the output end, you can see that all the properties or all the styling I have done within the GS, and has been displayed on the output end. As you can see that color is brown, text decoration has been removed, and also the text aligned to center. Link cannot be aligned to center, so that is not styled as per the instruction given, so ignore that only. Okay, else has been successfully styled via using this method. So as you can see that this method is widely used. This method can style every class within with a single styling code. Okay, so I can write anything within this, it will style every class with GS. So that is it with the CSS. I think many of you got it. Those who still not getting it can comment below. I will answer each and every query of it. So thank you for watching tutorial number 16. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.